Hey guys, Zahnd here. Thought I'd make a video about what I do. Tree stuff. Arboricultural operations. Yeah, I've been in the business going on 5 years. Climbing about 4 now. Absolutely love it. Learned a lot. Got a ton more to learn. I've been putting stuff on my Instagram stories the last couple years. Pictures and videos whenever I have a moment in the tree to whip out my phone and snap something. Obviously that's a bit limited, as it is frowned upon to be running a chainsaw in the tree and playing on your phone at the same time. So yeah, borrowed a GoPro, put that on top of my helmet, and put together this short little point of view edit. It was my last job for Clipper Tree Service in St. Louis, Missouri a couple weeks ago. Great company. I'm just relocating to Fort Collins, Colorado to start a new chapter over there. The job itself was a large sweet gum removal in Tower Grove, urban area, brick homes over 100 years old, power lines very present, over concrete driveways and a fence. About 36 inches in diameter at breast height, so large tree with plenty of stuff around. 95% of it had to be rigged out. Actually had 2 climbers in the tree, including myself. I typically don't like having more than 1 climber for removal, but this was large enough where it made sense. So got Mike in the other side racking it out, and yeah, I got about an hour and a half of footage before the battery died, which does include some setup time in the beginning of rigging gear, that sort of thing. But I think we got some decent stuff. You're seeing about 25%-ish of the tree come down. So yeah, let me know what you think in terms of video skills, tree cutting skills. Would love the feedback. Otherwise, hope you enjoy. Man, this is shit. I don't even know tie in here. Right over there we go, I guess.
This is pretty much the worst video ever made.